Every afternoon, this little boy came to the park with his very best friend. They played together, but that beautiful afternoon suddenly changed. A strange dog appeared, and it was coming straight toward the little boy.
The dog rushed toward him, but before it could get any closer, the panda jumped in front of his little friend. He wasn't going to let anything happen to him. The panda knew there was only one thing to do: get his friend to the hospital as fast as he could. The doctors rushed him inside, and for the first time, the panda couldn't do anything to help.
You might think this was made with a professional AI video. This was made with a professional AI video tool. But I actually made this entire video using Canva. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like this myself.
Open Canva and click here on Canva AI to access the AI-powered tools and features. Click here on Video Clip, then select the Audio option to add audio to your video. You can adjust the AI quality setting by clicking here. Click on this plus icon to add a reference image. Now, paste your video prompt here and click on this icon. Within a few seconds, Canva AI will start generating your video based on the prompt and settings you provided. Once your video is ready, click here on the Edit button. Your video will open in a separate window where you can make any changes or adjustments. You can also click here on the Preview button to watch the video and check the final result. Once you're satisfied with the video, click here on Share and choose Download to export your video. Repeat the same process for the rest of your story, creating each clip one by one until your complete video is ready.